Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a light, colorful and nutritious dish. Golden and silver egg stir fry with shrimp. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and super easy to whip up. Let's get started. First, grab a cucumber, peel it. Cut it in half lengthwise. Then again into quarters. Scoop out the seeds and chop it into little diamond shapes. Next, have a red bell pepper, and we are going to dice that into small diamond shapes too, to match the cucumber. Now onto the shrimp. I've got a few here. I'm going to butterfly them and remove the black vein. That's the shrimp line. Then we will need 3 eggs. We are separating the egg whites and yolks into 2 bowls. Now we are going to add a tablespoon of potato starch water into each bowl. The white part will be our silver egg, and the yolk gives us our golden egg. Give each one a good stir until smooth and well combined. Next, take a spoon of egg white and mix it into the shrimp. This will coat them and make the shrimp turn out super soft and delicate after cooking. Alright, all prep is done. I've listed all the ingredients and measurements down in the description box, so feel free to check that out. Now let's get cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Drop in the shrimp first. They only need about 30 seconds. Then add a tablespoon of cooking oil and toss in the cucumber and red pepper. Once the cucumber pieces float up, scoop everything out and rinse on the cold water. Now heat up the wok, but don't wait until it's too hot. Add a bit of oil and pour in the egg whites while the oil is still warm. If it's too hot, it will splatter. Once it sets, remove it. Do the same for the egg yolk mixture. Gently cook until it sets and scoop it out. Now in the wok, no need to add oil. Pour in 300 ml water. Add 3 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then pour in about 150 ml of starch slurry we made earlier. We are thickening the sauce first. Once it becomes glossy and thick, add all the ingredients in and stir fry. And give it a good stir so everything is well coated. We are done! Just look at those colors. Green, red, gold, silver, absolutely gorgeous. This dish is so visually appetizing. It really makes you want to dig in. Let me take a bite for you. The eggs are unbelievably tender. That bit of starch slurry really makes a difference. This dish is light, but every bite is packed with flavor. It's beautiful, balanced, and easy to make. Try it at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.